Hello, magandang people. For today's video, let's cook Kippuki rice. The Korean something chuchu. So, Gabor, baka naman Gabor, sponsor me. Char. Joke lang. Charot-charot lang, guys. So, welcome to my cooking. RIP sa ugat-ugat ko, guys. Pasmado yan. Like, kailangan ko ng alaga, you know? Ayan, hintayin lang natin kumulo yung ano niyan. Hanggang kumulo. Char. Welcome to Walang Kwentang Vlog. Ang bango, guys. As in, super bango. Sana naaamoy nyo, diba? Para makarelate kayo. Char. So, bahala na kayo, guys. Bye.